Hey everyone! Ready to actually practice speaking English today?
Not just listening, speaking. Yes, you.
Here's how this works. I'll ask the questions first.
And I'll give you a sample answer.
Listen carefully.
Because after that,
It's your turn to answer.
you can use my answer as a guide.
Or answer based on your own experience.
No pressure, no perfect grammar.
Just speak and enjoy the practice.
Let's start.
How's your day going so far?
Pretty good. Busy, but not crazy.
How's your day going so far? Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I stayed up scrolling my phone.
Did you sleep well last night? What are you doing right now?
Talking to you and trying to sound smart.
What are you doing right now? Are you hungry?
Always. That's my secret talent.
Are you hungry? What did you have for breakfast?
Just coffee. Breakfast was canceled today.
What did you have for breakfast? Do you usually wake up early?
I wake up early, but my soul wakes up later.
Do you usually wake up early? Where are you going after this?
Probably home. My bed is calling me.
Where are you going after this? Are you busy this afternoon?
A little, but I can escape if needed.
Are you busy this afternoon? What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax, watch videos, and pretend Monday doesn't exist.
What do you usually do on weekends? Do you like working or studying more?
Studying is fine. Working pays better.
Do you like working or studying more? What kind of music do you listen to?
Anything that matches my mood or my sadness.
What kind of music do you listen to? Are you good at cooking?
If instant noodles count, yes.
Are you good at cooking? What's your favorite drink?
Coffee. Without it, I'm not human.
What's your favorite drink? Do you prefer staying home or going out?
Staying home. Outside is expensive.
Do you prefer staying home or going out? Who do you talk to the most every day?
My phone. It knows all my secrets.
Who do you talk to the most every day? Are you watching any series right now?
Yes, but I forgot the story already.
Are you watching any series right now? What time do you usually go to bed?
I plan to sleep early. That's the plan.
What time do you usually go to bed? Do you like learning English?
Yes, it's fun and sometimes painful.
Do you like learning English? What do you do when you feel stressed?
I listen to music and overthink everything.
What do you do when you feel stressed? Are you good at managing your time?
Let's not talk about that.
Are you good at managing your time? What makes you happy these days?
Small things, good food, and good vibes.
What makes you happy these days? Do you check your phone a lot?
Too much. It's basically part of my hand.
Do you check your phone a lot? What are you thinking about right now?
Why English sounds easy but feels hard.
What are you thinking about right now? Are you tired today?
Yes, emotionally and physically.
Are you tired today? Last question. Do you enjoy conversations like this?
Definitely. Learning English feels easier this way.
Last question. Do you enjoy conversations like this? So, how many questions did you answer out loud?
Even 5 is already progress.
Practice this video again tomorrow.
And try answering faster each time.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more daily English practice.
And remember, you
You
don't
don't
learn
learn
English
English by
by
watching,
You learn
you
it
learn
by
it by
speaking.
speaking.
Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel.
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
I am Lucy.
And I am Max.